You know what's ironic about side hustles? The thing that's supposed to give you financial freedom is actually trapping people in a cycle of exhaustion, stress, and burnout that makes them worse off than when they started. Everyone's telling you to diversify your income streams and build multiple revenue sources, but nobody's talking about the dark side of hustle culture that's destroying people's health, relationships, and sanity. Here's what the side hustle gurus won't tell you. 90% of side hustles fail not because of market conditions or lack of opportunity, but because people approach them with completely unrealistic expectations and unsustainable work habits that guarantee burnout. The secret isn't finding the perfect side hustle, it's choosing one that actually fits your life, energy levels, and long-term goals without turning you into a zombie. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you won't miss out on the valuable insights we share in our future videos. What we're about to share will completely change how you think about building additional income while actually maintaining your mental health and personal life. Done? Let's dive into 5 realistic side hustles that can generate real money without destroying your life in the process. The anti-burnout side hustle framework. Before we get into specific side hustle ideas, let's establish the framework that separates sustainable income generation from self-destructive hustle addiction. Most people approach side hustles with the same mentality that got them burned out at their day jobs in the first place. More hours equals more money, and sacrifice everything for short-term gains. Here's the truth about sustainable side hustles. They should enhance your life, not consume it. The best side hustles leverage skills you already have, fit into time slots that don't conflict with your primary responsibilities, and can scale without requiring dramatically more time investment. If a side hustle requires you to sacrifice sleep, family time, or mental health to be profitable, it's not a side hustle. It's a second job that will eventually break you. The anti-burnout framework has 4 core principles. First, leverage existing skills and interests, rather than learning completely new industries from scratch. Second, choose activities that can generate income during times when you naturally have energy and availability. Third, focus on scalable activities, where increased income doesn't require proportionally increased time. Fourth, set clear boundaries around when you work on side projects and when you don't. Successful side hustlers understand that consistency beats intensity. Someone working 5 hours per week consistently for 2 years will build more sustainable income than someone working 20 hours per week for 6 months before burning out completely. The goal isn't to maximize short-term income. It's to build long-term additional revenue streams that support your lifestyle rather than dominating it. Most importantly, sustainable side hustles should align with your long-term career and life goals, not distract from them. The best side hustles either complement your primary career by building related skills, or they provide skills and experience that could eventually become your primary career if desired. Side hustle number 1, freelance consulting in your day job field. The most overlooked side hustle opportunity is literally sitting in your current job. Whatever you do professionally, there are smaller companies, startups, or individuals who need those same skills but can't afford to hire full-time employees. This approach leverages expertise you already have while building your professional reputation and network. For example, if someone works in marketing at a large corporation, they can offer marketing consulting to small businesses. If they're an accountant, they can provide bookkeeping services to local entrepreneurs. If they work in HR, they can help startups develop employee policies and procedures. The key is offering specific high-value services rather than trying to do everything. This type of consulting typically pays $50 to $150 per hour, and because it's in your area of expertise, the work is often less stressful than learning entirely new skills. You can often complete projects during evenings and weekends without the steep learning curve that comes with unfamiliar industries. The sustainability factor is huge here. You're building skills and reputation in your professional field, which can lead to career advancement in your day job or eventually transition to full-time consulting if desired. Many successful consultants started exactly this way, using evenings and weekends to build client relationships and prove their value before making the jump to independent work. To get started, identify 2 to 3 specific services you can offer. create simple marketing materials, and reach out to your professional network. Many consulting opportunities come through referrals from colleagues who know about your skills and availability. Side hustle number 2, digital product creation, templates, courses, tools. Creating digital products that can be sold repeatedly without ongoing time investment is one of the most scalable side hustle approaches. The key is creating products that solve specific problems for defined audiences, using skills and knowledge you already possess. Examples include spreadsheet templates for budgeting, project management, or business planning, educational courses teaching skills you use professionally, digital planners or organizational tools, written guides or ebooks on topics you understand well, stock photography or design elements if you have creative skills. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once and can sell them indefinitely. Someone might spend 40 hours creating a comprehensive course or template, then earn income from it for years with minimal ongoing effort. This makes it perfect for people with limited time who want to build passive income streams. However, success requires choosing topics where you have genuine expertise and where there's demonstrated market demand. The mistake most people make is creating products they think are cool, rather than products that solve real problems for real people willing to pay for solutions. Research shows that simple, practical digital products often outperform complex ones. A basic budgeting spreadsheet template might generate more consistent income than an elaborate multi-module course, simply because it solves an immediate problem quickly and affordably. To start, identify problems you've solved in your work or personal life that others might face. Create simple solutions, test them with small audiences, and gradually expand based on feedback and sales data. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Teachable make it easy to sell digital products without technical expertise. Side hustle number 3, skill-based freelancing, writing, design, programming. Freelancing specific skills can generate excellent hourly rates and flexible income for people with marketable technical or creative abilities. Common freelance skills include writing, graphic design, web development, marketing, translation, data analysis, and various technical specialties. Freelance rates vary widely based on skills and experience, but experienced freelancers often earn $25 to $100+ per hour. The key is developing expertise in skills that businesses need and are willing to pay well for, then building a reputation for quality and reliability. The most sustainable freelancing approach is building long-term relationships with clients who provide regular work rather than constantly seeking new projects. Many successful freelancers work with 3 to 5 regular clients who provide predictable monthly income, making it feel more like part-time employment than constant project hunting. This side hustle works well for people who have marketable skills, enjoy project-based work, and want control over their schedule and workload. It can often scale to replace full-time employment for people who prefer independent work, and many successful business owners started as freelancers in their area of expertise. The growth path typically involves increasing rates as expertise and reputation develop, specializing in more valuable services, and potentially building agencies that employ other freelancers. Unlike many side hustle, freelancing directly builds your professional skills and portfolio. To succeed, focus on specific skills rather than being a generalist. Deliver exceptional work consistently, communicate professionally, and gradually increase rates as experience and reputation develop. Building a strong portfolio and collecting client testimonials are crucial for attracting higher-paying opportunities. Side hustle number 4, local service business, tutoring, pet care, home services. Local service businesses offer immediate income opportunities with relatively low startup costs and clear demand. These work particularly well for people who prefer face-to-face interaction and want to serve their immediate community while building a reputation locally. Popular options include tutoring in subjects you're knowledgeable about, pet sitting or dog walking for busy professionals, house sitting or plant care for travelers, basic home organization or cleaning services, handyman services for people with relevant skills, personal shopping or errand services for busy families. The advantage of local services is immediate demand and typically cash payment. Parents always need reliable tutors, professionals need pet care, and homeowners need various services they don't have time or skills to handle themselves. Unlike online businesses, local services have built-in demand within your geographic area. Successful local service providers focus on reliability, quality, and building reputation within their community. Word-of-mouth referrals drive most local service businesses, so consistency and professionalism matter more than marketing sophistication or online presence. The scheduling flexibility can be excellent. Many tutoring sessions happen after school hours. Pet care can often accommodate various schedules, and home services can frequently be scheduled around day job commitments. This makes local services ideal for people with traditional work schedules. To succeed, start with services that match your skills and interests. Set clear boundaries around availability, charge appropriate rates for your time and expertise, and focus on building strong relationships with initial clients who can provide referrals. Local Facebook groups and neighborhood apps like Nextdoor are excellent for finding initial customers. Side hustle number 5, virtual assistant services for busy professionals. The virtual assistant industry has exploded as more professionals work remotely and entrepreneurs need flexible support. This side hustle works particularly well for people with strong organizational and communication skills who want flexible, well-paying work that can be done from anywhere. Virtual assistants typically earn $15 to $40 per hour depending on their skills and the complexity of tasks they handle. Common services include email management, calendar scheduling, social media management, basic bookkeeping, research, customer service support, and project coordination. The key to sustainable VA work is specializing in services you can do efficiently and finding clients who respect boundaries around availability and communication. Many successful VAs work with 3 to 5 regular clients rather than constantly seeking new projects, creating predictable monthly income that feels more stable than traditional freelancing. This side hustle works exceptionally well for parents, students, or anyone who needs flexible scheduling because much of the work can be done during client business hours or during personally convenient times, depending on the specific services provided and client needs. The growth path is clear and achievable. Successful VAs often evolve into specialized consultants, online business managers, or agency owners who hire other VAs. This natural progression means the side hustle can grow into a primary career without requiring completely new skill development or starting over in a different industry. To succeed, focus on specific services rather than trying to do everything. Communicate clearly about availability and boundaries. Consistently deliver high-quality work that makes clients' lives easier rather than more complicated, and gradually increase rates as you prove your value. Building long-term client relationships is more profitable than constantly finding new projects. Your anti-burnout action plan. Here's how to choose and implement a side hustle without destroying your life in the process. First, honestly assess your current time, energy, and skill set. Choose side hustles that align with what you can realistically sustain long-term, not what sounds most exciting or profitable in the short term. Second, start with one side hustle and focus on making it consistently profitable before considering others. The people who burn out typically try to pursue multiple income streams simultaneously without mastering any of them, spreading their energy too thin to succeed at anything. Third, set clear boundaries around when you work on side projects and when you focus on rest, family, and personal life. Side hustles should enhance your financial situation, not dominate your entire existence or create stress in your primary relationships. Fourth, track your actual hourly earnings, including all time spent on the side hustle, marketing, administration, travel, and actual work. Many people think they're making good money, but haven't calculated their true hourly rate after accounting for all the hidden time costs. Fifth, create systems and boundaries that prevent side hustle work from bleeding into your personal time or affecting your primary job performance. The most successful side hustlers are those who maintain clear separation between different areas of their life. Most importantly, remember that the best side hustle is one you can maintain consistently for years without sacrificing your health, relationships, or primary career advancement. Sustainable income growth beats unsustainable income spikes every time, and burnout can set you back financially and professionally. The people who successfully build additional income streams through side hustles aren't the ones who work the most hours. They're the ones who choose the right opportunities for their specific situation and execute them consistently within sustainable boundaries that support their overall life goals. Your side hustle should make your life better, not more stressful. It should provide financial security and opportunities, not create new problems that outweigh the benefits. Choose wisely, start small, and build gradually towards sustainable additional income that truly enhances your financial future. If you found these side hustle ideas helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit that bell icon to make sure you don't miss any of our future videos, where we'll continue to share realistic strategies for building wealth without burning out. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, the goal isn't to hustle harder, it's to hustle smarter. See you in the next video.